Alright, so got a car getting shipped in. Going to meet him at the local Walmart and get this thing picked up. Basically, it's just something that I'm getting the opportunity to do some maintenance to and some upgrades here. So it's going to be a pretty wild ride. It's all hot over. Alright, well, clutch is definitely an issue. Wait for this truck to go. I'm blocking him. I'll have to get some gas, put some gas in this. But car's unloaded. We got some video footage of that. There's the truck still. And get this thing put on my trailer so I can get it home. Whew. All right, gotta get this thing loaded up, strapped down, and then we're gonna head home. We got a list of stuff that we're probably gonna be doing to this thing for this friend of mine, and will be, as far as I remember, I gotta check out the clutch. We're gonna do a timing belt set. We're gonna do some of the stuff with the suspension. I believe we're gonna upgrade some of the suspension. He said something about sending some stuff with. So let's see if there's anything in the trunk, just out of curiosity. Nope. Pretty emptied out. So yeah, let's get this thing loaded. All right, here we go. Loaded up. Heading back to the srt4 modification home. I'm gonna grab a couple snapshots. See you at home. I'm just getting home with a car. I'm not here to feed you. I mean, I appreciate you coming to see me. Huh? These guys, I think they're ready to go in and sit in front of their fans. But yeah, we got good firm delivery, stern firm, and the car's here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it better. But delivery successful. I'm not sure exactly the address, but if you've seen the tag, you know it come from pretty far away. So with that, I'm just gonna end this one. We'll go over the build list for this thing as soon as we get some stuff figured out. See ya.